Imagine a world where packages fly to your doorstep, machines inspect themselves, cities manage traffic automatically, and borders are protected by intelligent eyes in the sky. This is not science fiction. This is the world of drones. Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles or UAVs, are aircraft that operate without a human pilot on board. They are powered by advanced technologies like artificial intelligence, GPS, sensors, and high-resolution cameras. Today, drones are transforming industries and redefining the future. In civilian applications, drones are revolutionizing delivery systems. Autonomous delivery drones can transport packages directly to a consumer's doorstep. This reduces delivery time, traffic congestion, and fuel consumption, making logistics faster, smarter, and more eco-friendly. Industrial drones are widely used for inspecting critical infrastructure, such as wind turbines, power lines, bridges, and pipelines. They can access dangerous or hard-to-reach areas safely. Using high-resolution cameras and thermal sensors, drones help detect faults early and reduce maintenance costs. Defense drones play a vital role in modern military operations. They are used for surveillance, reconnaissance, and combat missions. These drones can operate in hostile environments, gather real-time intelligence, and support strategic decision-making while reducing risks to human soldiers. In urban environments, surveillance drones support traffic management, crowd monitoring, and public safety. They provide real-time aerial data that helps authorities manage emergencies, prevent accidents, and improve smart city operations. In agriculture, drones are helping farmers move towards smart farming. Agricultural drones are used for crop monitoring, pesticide spraying, seed distribution, and soil analysis. They help increase crop yield, reduce chemical usage, and save time and labor. The future of drones is rapidly evolving. AI-powered swarm drones, medical delivery drones, autonomous passenger drones, and disaster response drones are already in development. Soon, drones will think, communicate, and operate independently. From agriculture to cities, industries to defense, drones are changing the way we live and work. With continuous innovation, drones will become smarter, safer, and more sustainable. The sky is not the limit. It is only the beginning. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more futuristic technology content. Comment below and tell us which drone application excites you the most.